If you get the Counter-Strike 2 error, download incomplete, the download did not complete. Scoreboard information is available but you cannot watch the match. This means that the replay file is damaged or corrupted. So in this tutorial we're going to delete the file and download it again. First open Steam, right-click Counter-Strike 2 and select Properties. Click on Properties. Click on Installed Files. Click on Browse. Click on Game. Open the CSGO folder. Open Replays. In here, delete the replay that is causing issues. Close the folder and open CSGO and download the replay again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.